That's now.
That's Nate, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a mukbang. Mukbang. However you pronounce it.
I don't know how to say it.
Me either. Mukbang. People saying different types of way. I got 2 hamburgers, 5 onion fries, and 2 what's called broccolis.
Onion fries.
I mean onion rings.
I got some chicken wings. I made some party wings, some macaroni, and my favorite broccoli. All made by me.
She been wanting broccoli forever.
Thanks, you know. Oh, and I got some Arizona.
And I got some Rock Creek.
Oh, nice.
What you want to talk about? Talk about.
I didn't know what this was till the day Nate told me. I kept saying people do it, but I ain't never clicked their video.
Mukbang. I don't really know how to pronounce it.
My broccoli a little cold.
Mine is too. Let's talk about Grandma 50. About you, how you think about them breaking up?
Crazy.
I know, right? I don't think they should have broke up in the first place. No reason for them to break up. They just broke up. I think they tried to best friend. Why would they move out of the travel house? They could have stayed in that big house.
It's trash. Dump it in the trash. Put in the just put it in the sink because you're gonna mess up the dishwasher. Chicken salty. I think that because they can still be friends, that
they shouldn't have moved.
They shouldn't have moved out.
Right. That's wasting money.
The house was big enough for them
to
still be in the house just on
different sides. This is my side, this is side.
Just to save money. I'm not saying to force themselves to be together. To save money, I think they should have.
Me too.
They still like each other. They talk about coming over for dinner and stuff.
Right. Talk about you gonna make dinner and all that. Yeah.
Somebody stole my money.
Oh yeah.
Right out my car. Terrible. All the kids over here. Well, not all the kids. Mama wasn't here. The rest of them chickens was here. Oh, Desmond wasn't here.
Oh yeah.
Shout out to Desmond. Follow his channel.
Right.
Desi Taylor. DEZZY.
Wow. Just like yourself.
What did he say? DEZZ, that's me. Something. Yeah. I don't even know what he said. No, she's still here. Your mother still coming? Huh? Well, I forgot what he said it was.
These some real hard ice rings.
They supposed to be like that.
But I don't think that's that hard.
But it's supposed to be.
Is that good though?
You can get my earrings back. That's what you're hearing from me. Get my earrings right back.
I don't want this piece of
The broccoli's cold. But I don't care. I just thought I'd mention that it's cold. I ain't gonna never stop me from eating it.
True.
Hot broccoli, cold broccoli, raw broccoli. Cooked broccoli, I don't care.
Not raw broccoli.
You can eat raw broccoli.
I don't like raw broccoli.
I like it.
I never tasted
They don't
raw
need
broccoli.
no ranch or nothing. Don't wake my baby up.
It probably tastes like, like grass or something, like leaves off of the tree or something.
No. Well, they do have like a bitter taste.
It's nasty.
Shut up, Mom. My mother came over here. My mother and Yanni. It's first time coming over here. They probably not even laughing at nothing.
Right.
You told them about your new scenery?
Huh?
So you told them about your new scenery?
Did I? I think I did.
What?
Did I move from your house?
Yeah.
This boy is spinning in circles. You alright? You alright?
Hey, what was that?
You exercising or something? No, it is a little chill. It's always chill until it's time to go to sleep. Then it's hot as all the way.
I know.
That's so weird. Right now I'm cold, but I'm gonna be hot.
She said she on her way. She never up. I'm ready to sleep.
That's why I thought she changed her mind, because it's late.
You said when like she kind of go on yourself. So,
Huh?
gonna feel like she kind of go out yourself.
Look. I don't know. And then she probably said she don't got no key. I said, how you think getting in? Girl, I'm probably asleep. Don't ask me, because I don't know.
Russian got a key, first of all.
I don't know.
Yeah, I got you.
Like is going on with her coming in late, so she don't get her keys, so you gotta be back at a certain time when she can't get in. And yeah, that. I ain't no napkin. I don't never eat like a napkin. I don't care what I eat. I need a napkin. You cold? I'm cold too.
That's my feet.
That's crazy. 68 degrees in here.
And then it'd be hot at nighttime because that was so hot. Yeah,
Sweating and all that. It's craziness. Ew. Cold as crap out there. Unless you come from outside. You never feel good. Anyway, now each one in middle school.
Yep.
How do you think middle school gonna be?
I think, because Erica said it was the worst stuff. I think it's going to be fun too. And I think it's going to be a lot of fights and drama and stuff, but
Yeah.
you know,
Well,
people want to try me.
pretty much. Middle school is a time where everybody get in trouble, get into fights, drag down their grades. I was always on honor roll till I got in middle school. Start playing and get to come home by myself. But I ain't never stay up late or nothing. Why? It's right here. I ain't never really stay up late. I'm not crazy about it. Yeah. People do try even middle school. Cause they made that from.
It's like how Jay did in the hallway. When that girl said she had the munchie a little bit, that's what exactly what I did.
Yep. Just keep laughing like that.
I was doing middle school.
Let me just say that I love Arizona when it's cold. Woo! But you gotta get the jug and put it on ice. If you put those cans on ice, it's gonna be watery in 30 seconds. I lie to you not. 30 seconds. My middle school was alright. Y'all got to my first fight in middle school. Well, I'm not doing a fight before that, but like my first real fight in middle school. I started catching the bus by myself. I got fought like cause my elementary school was only across the street from my house, like a little across and down some. So it really wasn't nothing. You just walk to school. That to get up early. Who got the house? What they did? Catch the bus. I told them they could use that blanket. They said it was cold. I told them don't bring out the big blanket because somebody was coming. catch the bus, get up early though, catch the bus back home. It's like you kind of you're responsible for yourself because you know you gotta go to the bus stop. You know you better go to that bus stop and not nowhere else. I like it. It kind of prepares you for high school when you gotta catch the bus and all that. I mean, unless your parents gonna drive you.
Where?
Not my mom, that's all. I had to catch the bus. These allergies always kicking my butt, my eyes itching.
I'm not going to have to wake up real early.
What time does school start?
Huh?
What time does school start?
I think it's like, like, yeah, think up.
Hey, Snow.
No,
You
man.
was eating, didn't you?
Yup, we smell it.
Greedy stuff.
I saw this animal, it looked like
Touch it
a
over there.
human. Like a shaved human. What? And it's a real animal.
What?
An animal that looked like a human.
What's the animal name, Jim?
I don't know what the animal name, but it looked like a human. I saw it off of YouTube.
I'm cool.
My feet cool, my special.
I need to have it eat so I can go to sleep before I get here. Cause I just want to go to sleep. I'm tired. I'm glad I cleaned up already. Cook as you go when you, clean as you go when you cooking. Alright, I gotta do is wash these too. I'll stick them in the dishwasher. That is a sweet.
No, man, look, you try to pick up every crumb.
And it's just, I'm gonna lay the blanket out in there. Then I'm gonna get everything they got in there. Try and sleep. You got sleep upstairs again with Shekinah? Oh, Shekinah leaving.
Oh, yeah. Stop.
I didn't know if you want to be up there by yourself.
I will. I don't know.
Y'all need to put your pajamas on the nighttime stuff in the bathroom behind the shower curtain.
Oh.
Hang on, get the clean out. Chauncey, go in the bathroom and look behind the shower thing. Malia was there because she can hear. She the one that you always got jacked up. Come on. First of all, my baby was like Tammy when she was on basketball.
Who?
Go ahead, I don't care what you do.
What? I can't hear.
What's up? My baby was like Tammy when she was on basketball. She had the cigarette. When she first got on there, they was fussing about the food stamps.
At first it was looking
No,
like
that
that.
front part, then.
Remember I had that little show, hair on? I was really feeling that.
Maybe it was a mess. Charlie, why do people walk past that Uncle Kevin?
Right? He get on my nerves. I hate when
You
he
did not have to
used
bring
do
that out
that.
here.
I'm going to bed back because you know, I sleep in the foot. And I don't got nothing else to sleep in.
I told you carry them rubber shorts. I'm gonna wash up tomorrow morning. I'm gonna get up early.
I'm just sleepy now. Like, I go to sleep early anyway.
Oh no, I should wake up. I'm watching tonight.
What? I don't know. You know, Grandma.
It's only in the bathroom when you're having course.
Come on. Come on. Mom, shut up.
Not quick.
I don't know. We ain't gonna tell her. We just want to make a video.
Right.
With the MUKBANG, whatever it's called.
You said Mustang.
What's it called?
MUKBANG. MUKBANG. Something like that.
So what's it called, Jay?
Called a mukbang or mukbang. Mukbang.
I don't know. Somebody gang.
Yeah, then he said that they people that like towels.
Oh.
What white towel?
One time I was eating food in myself.
Inside your bag that you just put right here. You just do it sometimes.
Well, Alex is sleeping in.
I put it there.
Huh?
Put it with me.
Huh?
Where she sleeping at?
No, we're just sleeping in.
Those clothes that she got on. Those leggings.
Oh, yeah.
That's her pajamas. And that.
I had this on all day.
That white shirt she could have put on, but she sleep. I ain't gonna mess with her.
No white shirt.
That I gave you, so I thought it was yours.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna pull a net tonight. I'm pulling that.
How you steal her shirt?
Because she ain't wearing it.
When she sleep, let her be sleep. When kids sleep, let them be sleep.
Because
Snowman keep being greedy, shouldn't give him nothing.
because I had this on all day, so I'm just gonna pull on that one shirt.
You know, Chauncey wanna keep taking showers.
Like he clean.
Right. Bye.
Tell them that your tablet got break. Yo, if y'all order these tablets and you got the charger,
Don't order that.
break real fast. I'm surprised mine still cut on.
Don't order those tablets from Walmart. That was trash, okay? Because I got mine in like January. So man, stop scratching me. Or January, February? And what's this is? August. It broke in like my charger broke in like May or something. I plugged it in the wall and then the wall piece fell out. I had to pull it
Same
out
piece
the socket.
that broke on mine. That's the same.
And I don't be working for my tablet. I don't use my tablet every day because I have my phone. I was stop, Snowman. I was only using my tablet at work with the kids. Where's the
I
chicken?
should go get it to show them. That's what I'm gonna do.
Where's the chicken?
Yeah.
No, Vincent broke my tablet.
Oh,
Vincent broke my tablet.
but he ain't do it on purpose
He was cutting Snowman hair. Snowman jumped and he did like this to move back. And he punched down on the tablet.
though. It's easier, just pass it on in. This charger's trash.
But yeah, the charger says my charger broke, her charger broke, Malia's charger broke.
And the same piece broke off mine. It's hers. Malia thing that plug in inside her tablet broke.
Didn't even have it for a year. And Malia's charger been broke.
Oh yeah.
I'm cool. That's all I know. We about to get our 4 kids back at work. Pray for me. Honey, please pray for me because some older kids get too smart.
Wow. I'm not. Who? Is that your
You
James?
stole my napkin.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it was done. Snowman,
Chicken pretty good.
come on. I'm tired. It's 10:37. It's late as crap.
Charles, you better not take because I gotta take a shower. Cause I didn't take mine yesterday because I took one before I had got here. So, I did one today.
Miss and even go with us to the dog park when we get to go.
I'm really tired of using shampoo too.
Yeah,
You better
right,
say yeah.
use it. Right, use it. Oh, I can't even say I bought that shampoo. He bought that shampoo too. I can't even tell him to give it to you. Snowman! Please!
What's up with my plan on leaving?
She talking about he's late in the bus and all that, and she's still sitting there talking.
Alright. She might end up catching an Uber anyway, you know her. Every time I get on the bus, either it's gonna be a fight with Uncle Lisa. Every time I get on the bus with Uncle Lisa, it's gonna be a fight. Or did I tell you that the girl was sitting in front of the bus, like the boy, he left his umbrella on the front of the bus. He had to hold his nose because he can't get stuck so bad.
Oh, yeah.
He made that lady
But
get off
what
the
you
bus.
about to do? What are you about to do? What did I tell you to do? It's really cold. Sorry, Snowman. It's really cold.
How long it took us to eat our food?
19 minutes.
19 minutes.
Well, first off, me and I should have invented these terms because all we do is eat.
Right. We good at this. Yeah. Shout out to Diamond because he shout out to D-E-Z-Y Taylor. Z-Z.
I had soda in my mouth. Bezzytayllor. What you say? D-E-Z-Z, that's me. Something.
Right. D-E-Z-Z, that's me.
You should have been here, but I know where you was at.
Okay. Well, it should be all around sometimes.
Hey, Mother, stop playing with me, alright? Go get your hit bus, alright? And don't make me knock you. What you come down here so I just sent you upstairs to do something? I'm confused. Okay.
Yo, we might keep doing these. We might just wanna do these videos on our channel. Cause it's pretty good.
Everybody could have eaten.
Right.
I guess.
So good. No, tell them what your mother had said when Diddy opened up the answer the phone.
She's sick. She is so simple. Yeah. Blow in the dishwasher. Why you gonna leave the cat? That's the other thing I was saying. Like, why you?
Because I was trying to put the what's the phone?
Malia, what is that? Why you got that in here? What else is not in your hand that's supposed to be in your hand? Yeah, go get it. So, Rex told me that he called them. He called my phone. I mean, my mama called my phone yesterday. I was asleep. I go to sleep early. This is late for me. I go to sleep early. Ever since I had to get up 4:45 every day, I go to sleep early.
I can tell you sleepy because your house getting a little red.
I'm sleepy. She gonna say, he said, how long? What? You killed my daughter. He was like, how long? What? My daughter dead? Why you asking her phone? What you killed my daughter? He like, what you talking about? She sleep. No, you killed her. You killed my daughter. Where my daughter at? She sleep. And then start laughing. I thought you killed her because she ain't answering the phone. What?
Yo. Little cuckoo.
Little
cuckoo.
Something wrong with her. On the serious note, like something really wrong with her. Why will they come down here and there's a bathroom upstairs? Millie, why you come down here and there's a bathroom upstairs?
Why you got two?
You already got one. But why you?
And you going right back upstairs because you go put all this stuff upstairs.
But I'm saying, why you bring her downstairs if it's a bathroom upstairs?
Right, so go.
It's cold.
Okay, don't get smart.
I'm not. I'm saying, okay, go. Oh, good. Okay.
I hate people that drink stuff like that.
What you just drank?
I got ice in my cup. They don't be having ice. They just be.
That's what Charles did.
I hate it.
I was like,
I hate people who drink like that. Or I hate people be eating be like,
right on there all smashed. I don't know.
I hate that. One of the kids at my daycare do that. I be like, can you stop, please? I hate it. You don't gotta be doing that, but it's good. Okay? You don't gotta eat like that.
That's what they be doing in the movie and they get too much.
I don't even know that.
No, Zoe did that as someone, you know, with that girl had bite that thing like that. Yo, he did that. It was too funny. If she can't even leave, what time is it? Set it free. She should have just waited till tomorrow. They doing too much. They could have just waited till tomorrow. We going to church anyway.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I felt like she was lying a little bit or something.
Right.
I'm cold as heck. If y'all was a little shit, try to sleep with y'all upstairs.
I know, right? So we about to end off this video, this mukbang.
I feel like this is a weak mukbang or whatever it's called because we ain't had nothing to talk about.
Right. We just been talking about anything, basically.
Wow.
Earlier I was watching our old videos. They too funny. Yo, watch the goat cheese watch the goat cheese video. Zaya. Watch the goat.
The first goat cheese video.
Yeah, the first one. With
I mean, all of them funny.
Right.
But I gotta get to watch the first one. That was the funniest. I was
you
caught off
like
guard.
all that.
I was caught off guard. I don't know what the heck was going on.
That wasn't good.
This bang making me itch. Allergies. Anyway.
No, hold up.
I work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm off Thursday, Friday, and Monday.
Yeah, your eyes all red.
Thursday, Friday, Monday. I'm off. Anyway. What you were saying?
Vinny kept putting that shit wig on that I had on earlier. Elsa kept smacking it off too. Oh, why you so wet? Why you draw off? You cold?
No, I don't want to spend on camera.
Chelsea, why you draw off when I told you the towel was on here?
I did talk. Are you the talk?
Well, why you at?
Cause you didn't use it. Okay.
Okay, why you didn't draw off is my question. It was a spider in the tub, that's why you didn't draw off. But you don't draw off inside the tub, you draw off when you get out on the floor.
Yeah, I was out there for you, like right there on top of the door.
Chauncey, I keep telling you, these is the grandfather spider. What they call it, the long leg spiders. They don't bite or nothing. Oh, I told you that how many times earlier already? Did you get scratched? Never mind. Never mind. I scratched myself. Because you scratch back too hard. Anyway.
And guess what? I haven't even got no nails though. I don't know how to be doing that.
Anyway.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below.
Like, subscribe.
And share. And I'll see you in the next.
Oh, sparkly earring. See you in the next video.